Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter contents on TikTok using certain keywords. So in here, if you don't want to see certain contents on your app YP for your page in TikTok, you can just filter it by using this method. So after you open your TikTok, you can go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. And in here, tap on this content preferences and there will be this filtered video keyword. So click on this. Then here, by using this feature, you can filter a keyword so you won't see videos in your For You or following feeds that contain that word in the video's descriptions or stickers. So in here, you can just click on the add keyword button and just type in the keyword here. For example, I'm going to just write violence, and here you can choose where you want to filter from. You can use both of this or just one of this. Click on save, and after that it will be filtered by TikTok team and you won't see the content related to the keyword that you write in here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.